Welcome to our English-speaking room. Hello, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Emily. What's your name?
My name is Daniel. Nice to meet you, Emily.
Nice to meet you too, Daniel. What do you do?
I am a university student in Toronto, Canada. And you?
I am also a student. I study in Buenos Aires, Argentina.
Wow, great! Where do you live?
I live in Buenos Aires. Where do you live?
I live in Toronto.
What is your favorite food?
I like burgers and pasta. What about you?
I love empanadas and pizza.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is red. What about you?
My favorite color is blue.
That's nice.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I love reading. What about you?
I also enjoy reading. What kind of books do you like?
I like storybooks and novels. They make me feel happy.
That's nice. I like adventure and comic books.
Wow, adventure books are really exciting.
Yes, they give me new ideas. Reading is fun, right?
Of course, books are our best friends.